A pre-finished floor like this is really neat because once they complete the installation, they let it dry for about a day and all the furniture can be moved right in. Now this is a fairly easy do-it-yourself project to install a pre-finished floor like this, but Roberta, who's been around for quite a while installing hardwood floors, may have a few tips for us. Roberta, what do you say as far as when a homeowner is doing a project like this themselves? What are some of the things that, that they need to think about in order to do the job right?
First thing is to have a clean slab, make sure it's level. If you have to use any leveling compound, go ahead and take care of it first. So you don't have any waves on your floor. And make sure your walls are straight. Make sure you get a straight line. If they're a little bit off, you can have your spacers there that we have with the ratchet on it.
Yeah, tell me about that. That's pretty neat. What is that? Basically just kind of hooks behind the wood and then you can adjust it on and off the wall.
Yeah, you can adjust it. You know, if it kicks off a little bit, you just turn it to the left or to the right, make it come in and out.
I see.
It'll keep it straight.
And then, of course, you get that first piece started well, and then it's just a matter of one after the other then.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. And I saw earlier you're using the rubber mallet just to tighten it up. I guess the glue stays pliable for a little while so that you have some movement then to tighten it up. Okay, all right. Well, I know it won't take you long. I understand before the end of the day, we'll have a hardwood floor.